Hello, my name is Jadwiga Vonk. I live in Bognor Regis in UK, and I would like to thank all organizers for amazing summit that we just finished. I have been watching this in the hospital where I am going through chemotherapy for leukemia, but nevertheless I could enjoy the talks, not all of them, because sometimes I just felt a bit too sick the way I am now. But it's been really great. It was actually difficult to choose anything particular, but I just thought maybe one of the biggest aha moment was when Elise May was talking about traveling to Eastern Germany and how everything was grey there. And that helped me to realize that my core memories of my childhood are grey. They are without any color. I've been growing in communistic Poland, and maybe because of fear, maybe because of the way things were, there was lots of grey color. And I thought, but there must be sun, there must be some color, some nature. Why I don't remember that? And that's when I thought I need to find the colors of my childhood. I need to find colorful memories. So I started my trip, and I really hope that that will help with my vision. That has been, I am myopic. I'm already improving. I used to be like -6.5 dioptry, and I'm now probably around -4, but I'm not wearing glasses, and I feel quite comfortable with that. Yes, I just wanted to thank you for for doing this for just for everyone. Thank you.